Well, thought I'd give you guys a little insight to where some of my magic happens. That's what we did today. It's a little bit too windy for all the birds to come out. So I thought maybe, you know what? We just make something, put a little mount on there. That's where the GoPro is gonna go. This will pretty much be the view. So I'm hoping to get some nice up close shots of these birds. Out here, got my wood stove going. Got some fire. Let's check that out. Yeah. It's kind of nice out here. Most people ain't got wood stoves sitting right next to them. But it's a little bit cold out. I want to do something. So, thanks to making a little bit of lemonade out of these here lemons. Thanks, y'all.